Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and it's not baby images, but it is from Modernista Print Shop on Etsy. Okay, so what do we have here? Whoa, this looks something totally different and fun and bright and vibrant. Okay, 1950s junk journal kit, 24 portrait, 12 double-sided on one page, 36 sheets all together. This is the portrait. This is what size the portrait is. You could score this in half and you can make a slimline 50s junk journal. All you have to do is print it on both sides and make a slim line, and of course trim your paper, square it up. I did square mine up. This is looking a little better. So if you want a slim line, you just take it that way and score it down the middle, and it's a slim line, and this is a regular junk journal. So let's go through it. I only printed one of the portrait size, but you'll see all 24 pictures in here. So I already printed some of this on heavy cardstock because I know it's going to be a junk journal. I love the colors. I mean, it's got red, look at the lips, black, green, pink, blue. It's got so many colors in it, and it's 50s and tickets, and oh, it's just so nice. And then here is the other side, and I already have it on cardstock. So what I'm going to do is I printed it all the way to the edge, and I score it down the middle, and I don't know which one is going to be the cover, but one of these are going to be the cover, and it's on heavy cardstock. Then this and the next one I printed, and they're going to get glued together, and they become, score down the middle and punch here and here, and they become pockets for a junk journal. But let's look at that. Let's look at that car, a pink car. Oh, this could almost be also a cookbook too, especially if you had 50s recipes. Wow, that would be neat. So here is the other image with the pink cars, a 57 Chevy. I don't know what that is. But isn't it beautiful? And then here are the other images. But remember, you get portrait, 24, and then you get 12 of these double-sided ones. Isn't that beautiful? A lot of black hair. Oh, see how I mean it could be a cookbook and food and everything? It looks just like it could be. It doesn't have to be. It looks very Valentine's-y too, where you could do something for Valentine's or 50s. You could have this as an album and use black backing paper, cardstock, because black was very popular in the 50s. Look at that vintage train. Reminds me of Buddy Holly from the 50s. I'm not even that old, but my parents showed me and taught me stuff. Look how pretty that is. Is that Joan Jett? I think she was 60s though. I think this one is printed twice because it was on the cards. This one, yeah, it's printed twice because it is on the. It's going to be part of the pocket. And this one is the big image. So here it is, big and small, and see the two different size junk journals. It could be this size, a slim line one, or that one. So there's so much you can do with this. The fountain shop. There is a fountain shop close to where we live, and I want to take my grandson and let him see what it is to be in get an ice cream made right in front of you. That would be neat. Look at all this and the hair. There's a lot. So I am so blessed that I was gifted this, because I don't know if I would looked at it, but then once I saw it and oh, how vibrant and beautiful it is, I'm like, oh God, I gotta make that. I just, wow. And if a school had a 50s party, or if the teacher you knew, you could make her a gift. I mean, wow, there's a lot here that is fun to play with and do. I'm just so happy to have this and to play with it. I can't wait to show you what I'm going to make, because it is going to be a junk journal, but I want to do more. So yeah, have a blessed day. Modernistic Print Shop on Etsy, their shop will be linked, and this actual site to this kit will be linked also. I'm not sure what's on sale. You can wait for it to go on sale or not. It doesn't matter. And you will have it forever, because you're going to have it on your thumb drive, your computer, your cloud, bouncing above our heads. And 10 years from now, you'll still have it. So it's always a good thing to buy images instead of just one paper pad. You used it, or it got wet, it had to be thrown away. But yeah, you have this forever. And also, the reason why I can print so much is I use an HP printer and laptop, and I am on their monthly $9.99, almost $10, a penny away, $10 a month refill ink program. I can print 300 sheets, and they send me colored and black cartridges to fill my ink, and my printer is hooked up to their site, so when my printer says it's low, it sends them a message, and I just get ink in the mail, and I never know when I'm going to get ink, and then I'm like, whoa, it knows before I do sometimes. So that's very nice. $10 a month, and then these images. So if you think crafting is expensive, it doesn't have to be. You just have to know the ins and outs and the little secrets. So there you go. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye, everyone.